One shop handles the engineering, fabrication, wiring, testing, and UL 508A certification. Yes, all of it. No juggling multiple vendors, no delays waiting on third-party sign-offs. AppliedGrayMatter.com runs a fully certified UL 508A panel fabrication shop with qualified staff and mandatory ongoing inspections baked into every build. You get a finished UL Mark panel, engineered and verified under one roof. Stop splitting your project across 3 contractors. Head to AppliedGrayMatter.com and get it all done in one place. If your control panel doesn't carry the UL Mark, you're one inspection away from a very expensive problem. Facilities get shut down. Retrofits cost more than the original build. Liability lands on you. AppliedGrayMatter.com builds industrial control panels certified to UL 508A, the standard that satisfies NEC requirements, speeds up site approvals, and protects you from costly rework. Every panel leaves our shop with the UL mark already applied. Don't wait for a failed inspection to act. Visit AppliedGrayMatter.com now. At AGM, we take pride in our UL 508A certified panel fabrication shop, where we build industrial control panels to the highest safety standards set by Underwriters Laboratories. This prestigious certification underscores our commitment to safety, reliability, and industry excellence. To schedule a free consultation, call us at 315-878-2372.